to my channel. This week we're going to be doing a spring reset on our yard. We've put a lot of work into our backyard and back porch area throughout this year to make it pretty and functional. So we're going to be doing a little cleanup today, and we're also going to be testing out a new lawn tool that we got so that we are able to use our lawn to the fullest all year long. And if everything goes well and the lawn tool works well, then we may also help out our in-laws by cleaning up their yard as well. I've been testing out a new robot lawnmower this week, mostly because I was curious if it could actually handle the job without me having to babysit it. Mowing is just one of those jobs that's always there, whether you want it to be or not. And honestly, it's just one of those things that I really do not enjoy doing. It takes up a ton of my free time, which is already sacred. On top of that, it's always super hot outside, especially this time of year, so I just have no interest in doing extra outdoor projects if I don't have to. So this week I wanted to see if something like this could actually take this task off my plate and if it's worth it. The robot lawnmower we're using is the GOAT O1000 LiDAR Pro robotic lawnmower, and it's from the brand Ecovacs. And you all know I love smart devices. They save you so much time and energy. It just makes my life so much simpler to integrate them wherever I can. When Ecovacs reached out to help me with a spring reset for our yard, I was so excited to try this out. The first thing I noticed was the setup. I expected it to be more complicated, like having to lay wires around the yard, or measure boundaries, or even map everything out and watch it to make sure it doesn't run things over. But this one is wire-free. You just set it down, let it scan the yard using Holoscope 360 LiDAR, and it maps everything on its own. And if you haven't heard of it before, LiDAR is super cool. It's basically pulsing lasers that help the lawnmower scan distances and obstacles to create its own little 3D map. This feature really helps set the Ecovacs lawnmower apart because you don't need to run it over and over to map it out. It uses both LiDAR and an AI-operated camera to stay on track, which I love because it can avoid over 200 obstacles, so you never have to worry about it running over a potted plant or things you left in the yard, which is a big thing for me because I'm doing projects in the yard a lot and I don't always clean up right away. So there's no measuring, no guessing. It literally figures out your yard automatically, which makes it way easier to start using right away. And once it's set up, it just moves. It doesn't bounce around randomly, it builds a path to cover the lawn efficiently. The passes are clean, which I didn't think I'd care about, but it does make the lawn look a lot more finished. And it gives a really beautiful effect to the grass where you can see the different rows, which honestly gives it that really high-end feel without you having to put in all that extra effort. It also gets close to the edges because it has a built-in true edge trimmer, and that's usually the part that takes the longest if you're mowing yourself. Like, this is the before and this is the after. It actually makes a noticeable difference along the edges. And you can hear it a little while it's trimming, but it's still quieter than a traditional handheld gas trimmer. Which I really appreciate. The main thing I wanted to test was how it fits into a normal day. So I just let it run while I was doing other stuff, working, having coffee, basically just ignoring it. And it handles objects really well, like furniture, plants, random stuff in the yard. I didn't have to step in or redirect it at all, which is huge because that's normally the thing that makes me hesitant about some smart devices. But with this one, it's able to just navigate and avoid obstacles all on its own. So there were a few things that surprised me after using it for a little bit. It's able to handle uneven spots and slopes much better than I expected, which is something that I personally was worried about because we do have a lot of different terrain and textures and slopes in our yard. We keep it in our backyard and it has to travel all the way to the front to get to the grass, which means it's either going to be going on dirt and concrete or over bricks, and it's able to do it totally fine. It can get through really tight areas without getting stuck, which is another really important factor when it's traveling such a far distance to get to our lawn. And especially for people who have larger lawns, you don't have to worry about keeping an eye on it. It's going to be able to maneuver through different terrain, different pathways, no problem. And it's much quieter than a traditional mower or edger. It's not completely silent, but it's way less disruptive. So if you've ever done your own lawn and had to experience that noise up close, or if you have a lawn team that comes and works at your house, you've probably noticed how it can be really disruptive to your day or your work if you work from home and you don't really have that issue with the Ecovacs lawnmower. Another thing that I really love is that it does not need perfect lighting. You don't have to do this in the middle of the day for it to be able to function, or on a sunny day. It's able to work if it's cloudy out, or even if it's later in the day and the sun's going down. That flexibility to me just makes it feel much more reliable and much more convenient because it can really work with your schedule. And if you forget to run it throughout the day, or if it doesn't work with your schedule to do it during the day, you can do it later in the day and not have it be an issue because it can function even in dimmer lighting. Another thing I didn't expect to care about, but I actually really love, is that it's super easy to clean. So this lawnmower is actually IPX6 waterproof, which means that you can literally just rinse it off when it gets dirty, which is nice because lawn tools get messy really fast. This also makes it rain resistant, so you don't have to stress if the weather changes, it's able to still function totally fine. I think that this really just kind of comes down to how you feel about yard work. If mowing is your thing and you really enjoy it or find it calming, then this may not be necessary for you. But if it's just a chore that you'd really rather not think about or have to deal with, like it is for me, then it's really nice to be able to just set this up and forget about it and have it do it on its own. For me, it's a lot less about the actual technology and more about just taking a task off my plate and freeing up some time so that I can do things that are more important to me and restorative rather than taking from my energy. In my opinion, this is really the perfect tool for anyone that lives a really busy life, has a super packed schedule, if you're someone that has mobility issues or difficulty pushing a lawnmower, or if you just really love smart devices and want to step up your home technology, then this is the perfect thing for you. And honestly, this is kind of the perfect time to get one if you're looking into it, because going into spring and summer, the weather's going to be getting warmer, the grass is going to be growing faster, and it's going to be the hottest time of the year where it's the least fun to be outside doing chores like that. The Ecovacs robot lawnmower is really perfect if you want your yard to look consistently done without having to spend hours on it. It's perfect for small to medium yards, which ours is definitely on the smaller side, but it just cuts down on one more chore on the list and lets me focus on other things. Once it's set up, it kind of just becomes invisible. It's just part of the background that keeps your lawn taken care of. So after trying it out for a little bit now, I can definitely say that this lawnmower is way more useful than I expected it to be. It's one of those things that isn't a need, but it definitely makes life a lot easier and it frees up a lot of time so that you're able to do fun things on the weekend instead of having to do yard work. And it just gives you that little bit of extra time to be able to spend more time with friends, family, on self-care, or just spending that time on hobbies and projects, which can be a lot harder to fit in throughout the week when your schedule is the busiest. So I can definitely say that the Ecovacs lawnmower makes my spring reset so much easier. I'm a big fan of making any chores or not fun tasks in life easier. So if I can take something off my plate and have a little bit more free time, then I absolutely will. It's definitely more of an investment piece for your home, but I think it's worth it if you don't enjoy lawn maintenance, if you don't have the time to keep up with your yard, or if you find it physically difficult to do. So if you have any questions about the Ecovacs lawnmower, or if you want to know a little bit more about my experience, then leave me a comment and I will answer all of them as best as I can. And if you're looking for a smart lawnmower like this, then I will link the Ecovacs Goat O1000 LiDAR Pro in the description box for you guys so that you can check it out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed doing this little spring reset with me and setting up my new lawn tool. If you did, definitely let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. And if you end up getting an Ecovacs lawnmower for yourself, I would love to hear about it and your experience and what your favorite feature is. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday.